guys, so it's the 24th of February and it's like 4 o'clock in the evening, and I basically just woke up because I went for a night shift and I've been sleeping all day. My friend actually woke me up and she came with a gift. Say hello.
Hello guys.
Tomorrow is my birthday and I'm so excited. I got a call from my husband saying I should pack up because he went to work in London, and just said pack a bag, and you already know your girl is packed, ready to go. I'm basically just gonna wait for him and that's it. Thankfully my friend is here, so Tosan, what do you have to say to the people?
So we are here because someone tried to go to London for her birthday, and obviously I'm working tomorrow, so I can't be there. So we're here to like support her before tomorrow, I guess. Happy birthday in advance.
Thank you, my fans. Before I forget, this girl always make me cook. She came, woke me up from my sleep, and forced me into the kitchen. And I was preparing food like she's my husband. I made food. I made spaghetti and I made turkey just for this tiny girl, just for this tiny little girl. Can you see how tiny she is?
You want me to talk, Abby?
But thankfully, she got me a gift, although I'm not
well
opened it.
deserved.
So, well deserved.
It's
She
well
got a
deserved.
gift. So, no offense taken. So my friend actually got me this gift, so she's pardoned. So whatever I did for her is well deserved. So she said I should not open it till tomorrow. So I'm just gonna keep this and wait till tomorrow. So, all right, I'll keep you guys posted. Bye.
Back to back for one thing to another. Get out. Get out. They give you. Shoo.
Jesus. Ah, my chest. Okay guys, my husband just came back and I'm all set. I'm ready to go, all packed up, and it's kind of late, so we'll just start our journey now so I can get there in time and just settle in tomorrow. Alright guys, I'll keep you guys posted. So guys, we just got here. It's like midnight. We just got to London. The time is it's really nice. Let me just give you a quick tour. Exhausted. So that's it for tonight. I'm just so tired. I'll try and sleep and catch up with you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hello guys, good morning. So it's the 25th of February and it's my birthday, and I'm really excited. I'm really grateful to God for keeping me, how he has made me to achieve this year. I'm really it's my birthday. I'ma do what I like. I'ma wear what I like. Ooh. I'm gonna do what I like. So this morning I'm pretty much alone in the hotel. My husband has gone to work because that's what actually brought us here. He had to work, so we came to London. And I was really tired yesterday. I just went to bed and couldn't really do much. So today he said we're gonna have dinner later. That's when he comes back from work. So I'll just be in the hotel room getting ready and I'll wait for him to get back and we can party. So there's not really much for me to do. I think I'll just fix my nails in the meantime. and my friend is on her way. I am excited. So first of all, I'm gonna go downstairs for breakfast. So yeah, I'm gonna go downstairs and have breakfast. So I'm going back to my room, done with my breakfast. So guys, I just got back from having breakfast, and guess what? Just guess what? I'll show you. This is what I came back to meet. Oh, this is lovely. I'm sure my husband would have told these people why I'm out to do this. Aww. This is lovely. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And my kids. I love it. Oh, this says I love you. Oh, this is cute. This says I love you. Oh, this is lovely. I love it, baby. Thank you. It's my birthday. I'm finally done with my nails, and I think I love them. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So I got a card from my unit. It just says lovely. Critical care. Oh, love it. This is nice. Thank you. And I also got a card from Pretty Little Things, BLT. Nice. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. So guys, my friend I've been waiting for just called that she's almost here. She's like 6 minutes away. I've been waiting for her all morning, and she just called that she's almost here. So I'm just gonna go downstairs now and get her. I haven't seen her in like is it 6 years? I'm so excited. Look at this one. Yeah. See this fully getting 6 years.
What? I know. This is 6 years.
Oh!
It's great.
Oh!
Don't show that one.
I know say you did draw eyebrow. Amma, so which one are we doing?
Do you have razor blade?
No, I didn't come back.
So why you have razor blade?
I don't know why you get that. Just came. I say, why this girl? Why you dey do and co? It can't be like say we planned this our dress.
I can't tire.
Hey, it's okay. Now content things. Do you understand?
Pepe, you don't see me. May I show you my face? May I show you my face, Pepe? Because as I do this, I say, Pepe must see am. Not be you feel they create the show. When you in Nigeria, they show yourself.
Anything to swim.
No, I no swim.
You go swim, oh. Yeah, you like it or not.
So we're going to the pool now. Oh, I don't think
Let the girl. I'm going to escort her to the pool.
so many people in the pool. I don't understand what's going on this evening. No.
The deals keep coming. Hurry.
Oh, I'm so happy.
It's your birthday.
A milestone birthday to celebrate. Just live your life.
It's good, yeah. I agree with
Your
you.
life. Hey. We had to go back because the pool was filled up and a lot of people this evening rather.
Oh.
And this one wasn't even ready to.
No, it can't swim for cold weather. Yes, the pool is warm though, but I may not be waiting at comfort. I can't make her dress, chop.
Okay, let's go. Let's go and
to
get ready.
Nice, have a
Restaurant.
nice outing. It's
Take
been a
nice
while.
pictures.
Take nice pictures.
And be out.
It's like it's giving.
It's giving.
It's giving.
Look at this one. What do they look?
I'm
Nature.
calculating Monday. I have meetings. So I'm thinking of how to strategize for Monday meeting. Yeah. Yeah.
Strategize for Monday meeting.
You've been alive.
It's not only Monday.
CEO of the company.
Which company? Ghana company. Okay, let's start getting ready. We need to go. Oh.
Celebrity no do pass this one. Celebrity no do pass this one.
I guess just some water for you.
Oh, thank you.
I can be the one you love.
How old are you now? 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 Answer. Make a wish. Don't waste it. Don't waste it on Kesu.
Party is over. We had fun. Ooh, it was lit, like lit.
And we are so tired.
So tired. Now we are having our room party with
Some Baileys. We have some Baileys. So guys, we had fun. It was really nice outside. Like
yeah.
and I got lots of gifts.
And so let's unbox our gifts.
Yes.
Yeah.
One.
Woo. Yeah. I received this for her by one of her friends. What do you call it?
One of our friends.
No, this was my husband's gift.
Oh.
Give me this and this. One of this and this lovely
What did he give you?
hair.
Aww. Let me see. Did they put her and say all the money down for the birthday where they play?
Oh, lovely. Thank
Lovely.
you guys.
Aww. Ooh. That's lovely. Lovely bag. Aww. Lovely. Gosh. Yeah, so a friend at the dinner gave her this. I received it for her. Versace.
Oh, nice. What's this one?
What's this?
Murad. Thank you.
You don't even know who brought what.
I know the person.
Get out.
This guy just wants to show for this thing.
Yeah.
He
I
don't
know the
show.
picture am before.
Ooh, Prada. Ooh, Ama, you get rich friends, so you will know that we've landed.
Give me that. Give me that. Give it to me, baby. Give it to me, baby. Give it to me.
We got cupcakes. This. Yeah, that is making you stop.
My career as well.
Yeah.
I had a really nice time today, and thank you everyone for coming out to celebrate me. Thank you for the gifts. Just going to retire now to bed. Thank you for staying with me all through the day. Thank you for your prayers and your wishes. Thank you. Hey! Bye guys. Please, if you've not subscribed, please try and subscribe and like this video, share. Thank you. Bye.